Teco Auto Water. Life can sometimes get messy. Teco Auto Water teaches children hand washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has 2 powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with the reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. Teco Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption by up to 65%. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world.
Enjoy the innovative and convenient Yaburcook anytime, anywhere. You can heat your food anywhere as long as you have Yaburcook heating packs and water. Yaburcook helps everyone to cook a tasty meal conveniently without the hassle of using fire. Yaburcook uses a special heating pack that can easily help anyone to cook without the hassle of needing fire on campgrounds, and also eliminates any danger caused by open fire during cooking. Just add water to the heating pack, and your food will be cooked close to boiling point in minutes, so you can enjoy your warm foods at any outdoor events. Pressure cap on the lid. Adjust the pressure inside to maintain the hot steam and temperature within Yaburcook. The lid is designed with a self-double locking system. As the pressure inside of Yaburcook increases, the lid closes tighter to keep the temperature hot and also to keep it safe. It is made from BPA-free silicone, which works great at high temperatures and also safe for your food. It's also designed to be compact and light. Roll it up for easy storing and carrying. Yaburcook is a flameless cooker that makes you enjoy warm food at any circumstances, like camping, fishing, traveling, or even during any natural disasters like earthquakes or storms. Add a heating pack and wrap food into Yaburcook, and pour water over heating packs and securely close lid. Make sure all closures are closed well. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Open the lid carefully. Bon appetit! Built for safety and convenience, to enjoy every meal outdoors. Yaburcook is a must-have item for anyone to enjoy outdoor life, and also to prepare for any unwanted natural disasters. Anytime, anywhere, with Yabur.